Welcome back to this project of this F600 scale model. And if you don't know why and what I'm building here and what I'm trying to replicate, go back and watch the other videos. I'll leave links in the description and they'll be in a playlist. And you can also check out my website as well to see pictures of the rail truck that we're replicating here. But what I want to do right now is cut this stake bed off. And I think just by looking at it, I need to cut right about here. I have the cab and everything roughly aligned where it's going to be. So I'll cut this here, and then I'll probably sand it down, and then I'm going to have to get some strips and put on the end to make it look like one piece again. But I don't want to cut off too much right off, and I'm going to kind of sneak up onto it. So that's what we're going to do now. Alright, here we go. After cutting it down, that's what it looks like. I filled in that back panel, and then there's what it looks like, the bed length, and that looks about right to me for about a 14 or 15 foot box. Now we got to just make some hinges, and we're going to have to build a hoist and everything, and then of course the wooden box that's going to go on it. So keep watching, stay tuned. Alright, there we go. We got the hinges made so we can make the dump bed work. I got to do a little bit of clearancing, otherwise it would go up a little farther. But as you can see, underneath here we got some little hinges I made, much like how they would be on the rail truck. Again, I just got to do some clearancing, and then we can make this box go up and down. Well, I think that's all for this video. Thanks for watching. Get subscribed. We're going to do a lot more. I'm going to show you how I did it all. But I'm really liking how this is coming along. It's been a fun project so far. So, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Hey, look at this. It dumps.